for a healthier future.
In the modern age, humanity struggles with many diseases, but one of the biggest threats is cardiovascular disease. Heart attacks in particular claim the lives of more than 500,000 people worldwide every year. Most of these attacks start with a sudden rise in blood pressure. In this video, we'll talk about 4 ways to lower blood pressure quickly at home and strategies to keep it under control in the long term. What is normal blood pressure? Often, systolic, high blood pressure, is associated with the heart and diastolic, low blood pressure, with the kidneys. However, this connection is incorrect. Systolic blood pressure, large blood pressure, refers to the pressure at the moment when blood is pumped into the vessel walls. Diastolic blood pressure, small blood pressure, indicates the pressure of the heart at rest. Since our blood vessels are flexible, blood pressure values can change at certain intervals, and this usually does not pose a risk to our health. However, when blood pressure rises above normal limits, the risk of rupture of blood vessels in internal organs increases, which can lead to serious bleeding and even death. Generally, a blood pressure value of 120/80 is considered normal. In recent years, however, a range of 140/90 is also considered safe. Values above this are called hypertension and usually require treatment. Another misconception is that just because a person feels fine with high blood pressure, it means that it is normal for them. In reality, this is a compensatory mechanism of the body and does not protect against the risk of heart attack or stroke. Lowering blood pressure can be uncomfortable, but it should be done gradually so that the body adapts to the new situation. How to lower blood pressure quickly. Controlling high blood pressure usually requires regular use of medication prescribed by a doctor. However, if blood pressure rises suddenly and medication is not enough, there are simple methods that can be applied at home. 1. Foot and hand bath. Immerse your feet or hands in a basin of hot water, about 45 degrees Celsius, and soak for 10 minutes. The heat dilates the blood vessels, allowing more blood to pass through and helping to lower blood pressure. A foot bath is generally considered more effective. 2. Deep breathing techniques. This method is especially useful for stress-induced blood pressure spikes. Lying on your back, take a deep breath for a count of 5, then exhale for the same amount of time. Pay attention to abdominal breathing and repeat this process for 3 to 5 minutes. 3. Drink mint tea. Brew a pinch of mint leaves in boiling water for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. However, since mint can increase the effect of blood pressure medications, people taking medication should be careful. 4. Valerian tablet. This popular herbal tranquilizer can help lower blood pressure in emergencies by slowing the heartbeat. Controlling blood pressure in the long term. The above methods are useful for emergencies, but lifestyle changes are necessary to fully control high blood pressure. Here are effective long-term strategies. 1. Lose weight. Each weight loss contributes to a 1-unit decrease in blood pressure. 2. Regular physical activity. Half-hour walks and activities such as dancing can reduce blood pressure by 5 to 8 units. 3. Healthy nutrition. Reducing fatty and processed foods while increasing the proportion of fruits, vegetables, and cereals can lower blood pressure by 11 units. 4. Reducing salt consumption. Consuming less than 5 grams of salt daily lowers blood pressure by 5 units. 5. Quitting alcohol and smoking. It is healthiest to avoid both completely. 6. Managing stress. Although it is difficult to control stress, it is very important to prevent blood pressure from rising. What are you doing? What methods do you use to control high blood pressure? Do you know any other methods that give fast results? Don't forget to share with us in the comments. Remember, the most valuable treasure you have is your health. If you like our video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for our new videos.